Hey! Quiet down.
Sorry.
Now I have to go copy some things so you guys are on your honor.
What's the answer to number 4?
Boy, you want to know about calculus? Best sit down and listen to us. As I'm spitting rhymes, I evaluate the integral. Gotta find area over b to a interval. Find the total area over total time. Call me dy dx, cause my flow is f prime. It's the calculus concept, old Sabrick math rep. Solve the u sub, going step by step. Replace dx and derive the inner function. Cancel out terms and integrate that junction. Disk method, washer method, volume galore. Gotta revolve that line around y equals 4. Next you gotta remember, multiply by pi. Forget that step and we'll tell you goodbye. Not an axis of revolution. Square both curves and find the solution. Keep those integrals, they be going for days. World of calculus guides you out of the haze.
Step aside, I got this. Now I'm gonna teach you how to use a limit. Listen, consider a function any function f or g. Look at the graph at a point A or point B. If the limit to the left equals the limit to the right, the limit exists. It's easy like riding a bike.
It don't matter if f don't exist at f of c.
The limit still exists, that ain't no biggie. Now differentiability, that's a different story. There's more to it, not just continuity. First make sure that the limit exists, then you can keep moving about your differential business. Check to see if there are edges or cusps. If you find one, sorry, you're straight out of luck. So when you get this question on your calculus test, it all starts with a little dy dx.
Now areas between curves are pretty easy to find. Top curve minus bottom is what always comes to mind. The next step involves our old friends integrals. Smack one in the front and don't forget the interval. Dx at the end is so indispensable. Misplace that step and the problem is impossible. What comes after is the FTC. Fundamental theorem of calc is what it be. But whoa, let's back up and let's talk about the power rule. Add 1 to the exponent and divide by the number. Full product rule and quotient rule are still to come. Boy, you're really tripping if you think that we're done.
Yo, here we go, P. Coley on the mic, throwing problems in the air, going in for the spike. It's time now, let's step back to basics. Learn a little bit about differentiation. Take the function to the 3rd degree. Pull it out in front and multiply by 3. Subtract the exponent, n minus 1. Do for all term, boy, you're all done. Chain, quotient, product, and more. Know your rules or you'll be no more.
Now that you know all this calculus by heart, peace out, boys, it's time to depart.